Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online mathematics class. How are you all?
Fine, teacher.
Very good.
Fine, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Fine, ma'am.
Today we are going to revise the chapter 2. Did you remember what is the chapter 2? Long and short. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pratibha. God bless you, my child.
Happy birthday. Thank you, teacher. Thank you.
Now say happy birthday to Pratibha, all of you.
Happy birthday, Pratibha.
Happy birthday, Pratibha.
Yeah, we completed long and short long back. Okay, so what is meant by long and short? Can anyone from the class raise your hand? What is long and what is short? Can anyone from the class tell me, Ujjwala? Pranavi, tell me, ma.
Ma'am, long is for tall, ma'am. Short is for so small, ma'am.
That means measuring great or big objects from end to end is called long. So measuring small objects from end to end is said to be short. Okay, so let us see once what is long and what is short, and what is a point, what is a line, what is ray, and what is a line segment. Okay, let's start. As you know, long means measuring a great distance from end to end. Measuring a great distance from end to end. That means from here to another room, from this room to another room. This is a great distance. Okay. Short, measuring a small distance from end to end. Suppose here I have a pencil with me. So from this end to from this end, we need to find out. This is the small object. As the scale is, when comparing these two, the scale is the big object. So in these two, the scale is long and the pencil is short. Okay. Now, what is a point? A point is an exact position or location. A point is an exact position or location. It is shown by a dot. It is shown by a dot and usually denoted with capital letters. If you want to show a point, suppose I am saying this is the point. So we need to give a name to it. So let it be A. Any capital letter. We can denote point with any capital letter. Okay. Next, line. What is a line? A line of points that extended infinitely in two directions. That means from this. So here we can see the line. Here we have a line L. Okay. So this line is going this way and this way. In both the directions, it is moving infinitely. So this is called line. On this line, we have so many points. So suppose here, this is a point like this. So many points we will have on a line. Okay. So and the line is shown, represented like this. AB, both sides arrow marks. Okay. This is called a line. Okay. What is a line segment? Line segment is a part of a line. Line segment is a part of a line, but it has a definite length. It has a definite length. That means from here to here, I need to find out. This is the line segment AB. So this is having some length. This line segment AB is having some length. Then how we will find the length? How we will find the length? Using scale or measuring tape, we can find it out. Okay, so all of you know about the scale. We have from 0 to, in small scale, we have 0 to 15 portions. Each is equally divided. So here, from here, we have to keep 0 at A and find out the length of the point at B. So it is 8 centimeters. Here I got AB, the length of AB is 8 centimeters. This is line segment. Then what about a ray? A ray is also a part of line. With one starting point, there is no end point. That means one side it goes infinitely. One side it goes infinitely. So this is here OA is the ray. And we represent the ray like this. Okay, ma? Did you understand what is long, what is short, what is your point, what is a line segment, ray? Okay, these are the concepts.
Yes, teacher.
Measuring of line segment. How to measure a line segment? Line segment means what? It has a definite length. So this is AB is a line segment, we can say. Not only AB, we can give another name also. PQ also we can give. Then how to measure a line segment? So we have scale with us. Okay. So taking a scale, the point should be at 0. The point should be at 0. So, and then here where we are getting at 34. So this is the line segment is 34 centimeters. So like this we have to measure the line segment. Now I want to measure the pencil, length of the pencil. Length of the pencil. Then how to measure? So one end we have to keep at 0. One end of the pencil we have to keep at 0. Okay, ma? Are you able to see? At 0, one end. So the other end we have to find out. Where it is? Where it is, ma?
18.
At 18.
Teacher, 18.
18. So length of the pencil is
18 centimeters.
18 centimeters. So like that we can find length of any object. Okay. Then what about the distance? Suppose from our house to from our school. How to find the distance? Can you measure with scale?
No.
No. So we
No,
need
teacher.
there. So
Teacher,
more longer.
kilometers.
Yes. Longer.
We can measure it in
So in
kilometers.
kilometers
ma'am.
we have to measure. Okay. Distance we will measure in kilometers.
Kilometers.
Distance we will measure in kilometers. So these meters, kilometers, centimeters, all are what, ma? Measurements for units for length. What is the standard unit for length? What is the standard unit for length? Meters is the standard unit for length. Meter is the standard unit for length. So we know that clearly 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. That means this 1 meter is equally divided into 100 parts. Equally divided into 100 parts. Again, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. And 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Now, suppose if we want to convert. So what we have to do? If we want to convert meters to centimeters. If we want to convert meters to centimeters, what we will do, ma? 1 meter equals to how many centimeters? 100. So, multiply
100
with
centimeters.
100. Multiply with 100. Suppose if you want to convert centimeters to meters, what we have to do? What we have to do? Divide with 100.
Dividing.
Divide with 100. So like that, suppose centimeters to millimeters. If we want to convert centimeters to millimeters, what we have to do? 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. So multiply with 10. Multiply with 10. Suppose if we want to convert millimeters to centimeters. If we want to convert millimeters to centimeters, what we have to do? Divide with 10. Divide with 10. Okay, ma. So like that for kilometers also we have to do. If we want to convert kilometers to meters, what we have to do? Multiply with 1000. And meters to kilometers, divide with 1000. This is the conversion. So if kilometers is given for us, we want to convert into meters. What we have to do? We will multiply with 1000. Suppose centimeters are given. We need to convert into meters. What we have to do? We need to divide with 100. Okay, ma? Is it clear? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Now draw a line segment of force length 4 centimeters. Draw a line segment of length 4 centimeters. What we have to do? First we have to take a start point. One point, just keep a point here and hit the 0 at that point. And at 4 you have to keep another point and then join the 2 points. So PQ equals to 4 centimeters. Name the points. You can name the points also. PQ equals to 4 centimeters. Suppose if you want to draw a line segment of 10 centimeters. Draw a line segment of 10 centimeters. So what we have to do? As usual, just take a point R and then keep the point at 0 and mark at 10 another point, join those 2 points. So name this point also. So here RS equals to 10 centimeters. RS equals to 10 centimeters. So using scale, you can draw line segment of given length. So did you understand where we use kilometers, meters, centimeters and millimeters? Okay, children. So we use kilometers to measure very big distance. Very big distance. Okay, or very bigger length. We use meters to measure bigger length. Use centimeters to measure smaller length. So and then millimeters, very smaller length. So millimeters, how you will find, ma? So can you measure the tip of the pen? It should be in millimeters. This tip of the pen should be in millimeters. Tip of the pencil. Okay. Length of our nail. All these are in millimeters. Okay, children. So this is very smaller length. Very smaller length. Yeah. The length of given line segment is 2 centimeters. The PQ is given for us 2 centimeters. Draw another line segment which is 2 centimeters longer than the given line segment. 2 centimeters longer than the given line segment means how to do, ma? Anyone from the class raise your hand? Yeah, Kadir, tell me, ma.
Teacher, we have to add 2 lengths, teacher.
We have to add
2 length.
2 centimeters to this 2 centimeters. That means, so given is 2 centimeters. Length of given line segment is 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters longer means more. So we need to add 2 centimeters to the given length. We will get 4 centimeters. So the required line segment is the length of 4 centimeters. So then take the scale and draw. This is 4 centimeters. Okay? Any doubt in this? Ram is going KPHB, which is 45 kilometers away from his house. His sister is going Patancheru, which is 65 kilometers away from her house. How far is KPHB from Patancheru? So, Ram's sister means what? Both are staying in the same house. Okay? Both are staying in same house. So, this is Ram and sister. So, what Ram is going to KPHB, which is 45 kilometers away from his house. And his sister is going to RCPM Patancheru, which is 65 kilometers away from her house. That means they started at the same point. So they are going into opposite directions. Now we need to find out the distance between KPHB and Patancheru. From here to here, how
20
much?
centimeters. 20
What we have to
kilometers.
do?
But subtraction.
What we have to do?
Subtraction, teacher.
Joy, tell me, ma. Wrong, ma. Not subtraction. Joy, tell me.
Teacher, we should divide, I think.
So everyone forgot what I told in previous classes. Okay. See here, Joy. From your house, you are going left side 1 kilometer. Okay. And your sister is going.
Addition.
Yes.
addition.
Opposite direction 2 kilometers. What we have to do to find the distance? We need to add. So here both
It is
are
25.
started at the same point and they are moving into opposite directions. So from here to here we need to find out the distance. So what we have to do? From here to here and from here to here we need to add the distances. That means 65 kilometers plus 45 kilometers. So we need to write the statement here. Distance from Ram's house to KPHB. How much more? It is 45 kilometers.
110.
Okay, like that. Distance from Ram's house to Patancheru. How much? 65 kilometers. We need what? Total distance we need. So distance between distance from KPHB to Patancheru. So we need to add 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry forward. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So how much it is? 110 kilometers. How far is KPHB from Patancheru means this distance between KPHB and Patancheru is 110 kilometers. Is it clear, children?
Yes, teacher.
Don't confuse think and write. Okay? Ravi walks along a boundary of square park whose side is 60 meters. What is the distance he has to cover in one round of the park? So before going to start this problem, I will ask some questions. What are the properties of square, rectangle and triangle? In square, all sides are equal. That means length of all sides are equal. Suppose one side is given for us 4 centimeters. So what about What about the remaining sides? Its length also 4 centimeters. That means we know that in square all sides are equal. So if one side is given, we will get the remaining 3 sides. Okay? In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. These two are equal, these two are equal. So here it is given 6 centimeters and this is given 2 centimeters. In rectangle only we will get two measurements. In rectangle we will get two measurements, length and breadth. Okay. So automatically what we will get? Its opposite side is also equal to 6 centimeters and this it is opposite, its opposite side is equal to 2 centimeters. So rectangle and square are four-sided closed figures, but the property in square is all sides are equal, whereas in rectangle opposite sides are equal. In triangle, triangle is a three-sided closed figure. So here we have so many types of triangles: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. So that we will learn in next class. Okay. So here we need to get three sides in triangle.
Triangle.
Okay. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. There, suppose if it is given equilateral triangle, they will get only one side only. So automatically the remaining two sides are equal. Okay. Isosceles means two sides are equal. One side is different. Okay, ma. Scalene means all the three sides are different. Okay. So this you will learn in the next class detailed. Okay, ma. Now these are the properties what we have. Now here it is given Ravi walks along a boundary of square park. So what he is doing? He is going for walking to a square park. So square park means what is the property there? What is the property in square? Yeah, tell me, Makadir. Harsha? Tell me, Harsha. Harshvardhan.
Four center.
Four sides are equal. So here one side is given for us 60 meters. So then we will get the
Teacher.
other sides also 60 meters. This is a square park. This is
Teacher.
a square park. Okay, ma. So Ravi walks along a boundary of square park.
360
Whose side is
meters.
60 meters. What is the distance he has to cover to take one round? Suppose he starts
Teacher.
from here. Okay, he starts from here. From here, one round means like how he has to go? Like this, and again like this.
240 meters.
It's very good, ma. 240
360
meters.
meters, teacher.
240 meters.
360
240, ma.
meters.
240. So this is for one round. Okay. Now, side of square park. How much, ma? 60 meters.
Yeah.
Distance covered by Ravi in one round. Means sum of all sides. Which is nothing but length of the boundary. Length of the boundary. Sum of all sides. 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. How many times it's repeated, ma? How many times it's repeated? 4 times. 4 into 60 meters, which is nothing but 240 meters. 240 meters. Okay, ma? Suppose if they asked for rectangular park, they will give two measurements to us, length and breadth. So there also same procedure it is. We have to add all the sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Samuel, 5 meters more than 11 meters. What we have to do?
We have to multiply them.
5 meters more than 11 meters. More means what?
Ma'am, what is it?
Then why you are saying
Yes,
multiplication?
ma'am.
Don't be confused. Okay. Suppose Samuel has 2 chocolates with him. Harsha gave 2 more chocolates to Samuel. How many chocolates he has? 4. Okay. So that means we need to add. So like that 5 meters more than 11 meters means what, ma? 11 meters plus 5 meters addition we have to do, which is nothing but 16 meters. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
2 meters less than 8 meters. Less than means? Less than means what? Less than means what, ma? Somebody is raising hand. Let me check. Yeah, Pranavi, tell me, ma.
Subtraction, ma'am.
Subtraction. Very good. So 8 meters minus 2 meters. How much it is, Laina? Laina.
Ma'am, I will tell ma'am.
7,
Where is she,
ma'am.
Laina? She raised her hand.
Ma'am, 7, ma'am.
7. No, wrong.
Madam, 6.
Yes, Joy, very good. 6. 8 minus 2, 6. See, ma, simple thing it is. Take 8 fingers, close 2 fingers. How many are there? 6. So, 8 minus 2 is 6 fingers. So, if you get there greater than, more, like this words, always we need to add. Okay? Lesser, less than.
Ma'am, time is up.
Okay? Remove. If you get that words, you will get
No,
subtraction.
no,
You have to do
Ma'am,
subtraction.
sir, I got a 11 for
Okay?
10:42.
Yeah. Here we have some quiz on long and short. Let us see the questions. 1 meter equals to dash centimeters. Here is your options. 1100,
Ma'am, 100.
500, 1000, 100. 1 meter equals to how many
100,
centimeters?
ma'am.
Yeah, Pratibha.
Ma'am, 100.
Very good, Grishma. Yeah, next.
100 centimeters.
100 into 50 equals to dash. 100 into 50 equals
500. 5,000.
very good. 5,000.
5,000.
5,000.
ma'am.
1 kilometer equals to dash meters.
1,000 meters. 1,000 meters.
Very good.
1,000 meters.
1 centimeter equals to dash millimeters.
10 millimeters.
Very good, Harsha. 10 millimeters. 4,000 divided by 20. So just we need to cancel the.
2,000, ma'am. 1,000, teacher.
No.
20, ma'am. 120, ma'am. 100.
See,
200.
I will explain you. We need to write 4,000 by 20. So first 0, cancel the 0. In denominator we have 1 0. So in numerator and denominator you have to cancel 1 0. And then next, how much left over? 400 by 2. How much it is? 400 by 2.
Ma'am, 8, ma'am. 8, ma'am.
Very good. 200. Who said that? 200? 200 is the correct answer. Double means what? Double means what?
Multiply by 2.
Very good, Pratibha. Very good, Pratibha. 45 into 25. 45 into 25. Okay, then multiply it and write the answer. Okay? Triple means what?
Teacher, 90.
Triple means what?
Multiply by 3.
Very good. Khadir, multiply by 3. 1,386 divided by 3. Yeah, do the problem and send the answers to me. Okay, ma?
Ma'am,
The basic unit of
642.
length is what?
Okay, ma'am. Madam,
The basic unit of length is what?
centimeter.
Basic unit of length. Wrong. Just now I told you the basic unit is
Teacher,
meter.
meters. Meters.
So which of the following is correct? Observe this and write the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
6 meter equals to dash.
6 meter.
Very good. 600 centimeters.
Ma'am, we should write the quiz in notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
200.
2000 kilometers. 2000 kilometers.
2000 kilometers.
2000 meters.
Very good. 2000 meters. 4.5 meter equals to dash. This also do it in your classwork. Simplify it and
45
tell me.
centimeters.
45 centimeters.
45 centimeters.
45 centimeters.
Smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number?
1000.
Very good. 1000. 78 centimeter equals to dash millimeters.
780 millimeter.
Very
780
good.
millimeters.
7.5 kilometer equals to dash. So do it and tell me.
10,50,000.
Greatest 4-digit number.
5,500.
Greatest 4-digit number.
Ma'am, 9,999.
450 millimeter equals to dash centimeter.
45 centimeters.
Very good. Place value of 8 in given number.
10.
Place value of 8 in given number.
Ones. Teacher, 10,
80. Very good.
Once, ma'am. 80.
Complete the quiz and send the answers to my WhatsApp number. That's all for today's class. Have a nice day.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.